Hello, today we are going to restore this console here. It is an Atari 2600. I bought it in the Amazon Marketplace or whatever it's called. The owner promised me that it works. I don't know. I only have the joystick and one video game. The machine probably is faulty. I don't have a power supply. So in this video, we're going to clean it up and check it out and see if it works. This machine was released in 1977, about 46 years ago from the time I'm recording this video. I always wanted to have this when I was a kid, but unfortunately I had the Magnavox Odyssey 2, which I only have this left right now. I think it works. I'm going to try to restore it. But for now, we are going to try to bring this guy back to its original glory. So let's get into it. As I said previously, I don't have a power supply for the Atari, but what I have is this power supply, which is universal, and it has these buttons here that you can select the voltage that you want. You can also connect different adapters to this power supply, and I think that the Atari has a positive on the tip and the negative on the side. But before we do anything, we need to actually confirm that this is the right voltage with a multimeter. Let's test, and we see that the voltage is 9.22. This should be fine. At that time, also the power adapters were not that precise, so I'm sure the Atari will handle that little difference, because nominal is 9 volts, but 9.22 should be fine. The video output of the Atari is an RF modulated signal. Maybe this TV I have will work with that, so I'm gonna give it a try. Well, this is a modern TV and it's only going to find digital signals through the antenna, so I don't think this is going to work. Fortunately, I have this small TV. It's a color one. It's a very old one, and this is going to help us to test if the Atari is working or not. Well, now that we know that the Atari is working and the video game is working and the joystick as well is working, we have to clean this thing up. Look at the joystick here. It's generations of dirt that we are going to remove and try to restore it to its original glory. While I get entertained with the cleaning process, I'm gonna order a power supply for the Atari, and also I need to figure out how to get the video output into a monitor so I can capture and show you some images. I am quite satisfied with the results. It's in perfect working conditions and it has been restored to a decent level. For more behind the scenes content and also more detailed explanations about how to assemble the Atari back, consider supporting the channel through Patreon. Next steps will be to polish small details and try to work on some mods that could get the RGB output instead of the RF connection. That would improve the quality and also make it easier for me to capture some videos for you. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.